In this video, we will learn how to give Google Tag Manager access. So first you have to come tagmanager.google.com, this website. This Google Tag Manager already created one container, so you can click the setting option from click here. Every Google Tag Manager has a two options. One is main account, one is container. One Google Tag Manager has a multiple container and multiple websites. So if you want to give a specific website, then you can give a specific container. If you want to give the container access, you can give from here, or you can give to whole Google Tag Manager, so you can access from here. So I want to give this website access, so I click the user management, click here, then click a plus icon, then add user. One thing is, remember, when you give someone access, you should mark this option like tag, publish, create, approve, edit, this option. Then someone working with your Google Tag Manager and publish your tag, edit your tag, then write the email address and invite. This is the one way you can send a specific website content access. And another, if you want to give the whole Tag Manager access, you can see that this account option, you can see the user management, you can click here, then click plus icon, then add user. Then if you want to give me access to create a new container or edit a container, then you can give administration access. This Google Tag Manager has one container, so I also give this container access. So I give as a create a tag, approve and publish, this option, done. Then give the email address and send invite, and a notification goes to his Google Tag Manager account. So please subscribe my channel, get more video about Google Tag Manager, web analytics. If you need any kind of help about Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, subset tracking, you can contact with me. I working for many clients around the world to provide these services. So see you in next video. Bye bye.